Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday the 6th of March 2015. And in the 5-minute chart you can see the market was fairly quiet until around midday when the Bank of England decided to leave interest rates unchanged once again. You can see how this lifted the pre-market for the Dow before prices eventually headed back down to where they were before the announcement. So the market opened, we see prices trading down to the 18,100 level, finding support and then driving up to the 18,150, then halfway back and then back up to the 150 again, and then all the way back down to the 18,100 level. Just below there we see buying pressure coming into the market and then prices closing back above. So we've had a range of 50 points, so this should have been a clue before we have any signals. As we go further on into the day with no further economic news items, we can expect the market to be fairly quiet. However, we get the buy signal here, and then the market moves higher, filling this and trading up to the 20-point scalp, offering around 22-23 points maximum there. So had you have got the points on this trade, you may want to consider to call it a day. And for the very reason that the market was only trading in a 50-point range to begin with. So there's a chance the market was going to trade back because we've already got this pattern in the background where the market was trading between these two psychological levels. And then we see a potential sell signal. If you took this was at 5 minutes past 8. This was just filled, and we'll put it on the right one. This was filled, you can see just taken in on the low to the left there, then the market putting a buy signal. So had you taken this one, you'd have ended up coming out on the day around break even because of it. But the clues were certainly in the early part of the session, this trading between the range there of 18,100, 18,150, a very quiet day for the Dow yesterday. In the daily chart you can see this, there's an inside bar, which means that the high and low for yesterday are inside the high and low of the previous day, so inside of the previous day's trading range there, which is unusual. We've not seen one of those for quite some time. I think the last one is around here. We can see this telegraph pole here inside of the bar's range there, but they're an indication that the market is really quiet. And also today we've got only news at 1:30 for the Dow, and that's only medium impact as well. We've got the average hourly earnings there. Trade balance figures also out. So again, expect a quiet session unless, of course, there is something of a geopolitical nature that is released into the market. And finally, in the implied volatility, we had Wednesday 12:06, yesterday 11:42. You can see the drop-off in the chart there, and that's because yesterday we had the very quiet trading session and of course the day finishing off as an inside bar compared to Wednesday. Right, well that's it for this morning. I'll see you in Monday's edition of the Market Alert. Have a great weekend, and as ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated, and all things being equal, see you in Monday's edition. Thanks for watching.